What happens when an entire nation becomes blinded by greed and corruption? What happens when honesty
The light is
disappears from
gone! Take
markets and
everything! Thief!
deception
You cheat us
becomes
all! It's
normal?
mine now! Stop! Give it
This
back!
is the powerful story of Hazrat Sha'ib alayhi salam, the prophet who stood against corruption. Hazrat Sha'ib alayhi salam was sent by Allah to the people of Madyan, a prosperous trading nation. Their markets were busy, their caravans were healthy, but their hearts were filled with dishonesty. Allah chose Sha'ib alayhi salam to guide them back to justice, honesty, and the worship of one God. The people of Madyan were known for cheating in trade and giving less in weight and measure. Their markets echoed with profit, but fairness had disappeared. Sha'ib alayhi salam stood among them and called them to worship Allah and deal honestly. He warned them to give full measure and not to spread corruption on the earth. But the leaders mocked him and accused him of weakness. They even threatened to drive him and his followers out of their land.
Our mission continues.